This topic is like a general topic only, where it can help for few peoples to grow successful in their career or to how to proceed further in their career. Key content about the topic is like appreciation. This is what we are going to talk about. You know what? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Vanakkam. Let's get into the content. No, appreciation is everything. Wherever we work on whatever the job we are working on it, appreciation is a key fact which will be motivate ourselves or motivating to yourself to get upgraded to your career and to give 100%. There is no 100%, to give 90% in your professional ethics. You know what? I have been in that situation also, not really, and I don't care about the appreciation. Why, First of all, if I do something good, I will appreciate myself. I will appreciate myself. Once I am appreciating myself itself, I will be keep upgrading my profiles. This is especially about myself. Okay, I can't compare myself to my audiences, correct? To other people's. You know what? Many companies, many peoples will be eagerly waiting for that particular appreciation. Yeah, I have done this, but I didn't get appreciation from the key management or key profile, key players, top seniors, from my seniors. I didn't get my appreciation. Why I have to work like this? First of all, let me give you a solution. Don't expect the appreciation or the credits. First of all, appreciate yourself. Keep appreciating yourself. Keep motivating yourself. One day, what you are expecting, you will be getting everything on your hand. That is one of the key criteria. Keep influencing your mind in that way. Okay, don't worry. You know what? When I'm being like a senior player, when I'm playing like a senior, I will never keep demotivating anyone. I will always be appreciating each and everyone, whoever is working with me. Why, it will, their soul will be little happier and they will be doing their works in a good progress way. So that is one key principle which I will be holding on. Even though if a particular person is not doing the good job, I will say you are doing good. Little bit you have to improve yourself. When I'm saying that word itself, it will be like a trigger point that they will be keep working in the good process itself, good criteria itself, because you should take some accountable. You are an accountable person to do your roles and responsibilities. Am I right? To do your roles and responsibilities. If you are keep failing on your roles and responsibilities, definitely who will be appreciating yourself? First of all, you won't appreciate yourself. So please keep those things in your mind and keep working on it. And let me give you another situation. When you once you got this kind of appreciations, where you will be, where you are going to showcase that appreciations everywhere, on particular yearly once or yearly twice during the hike period time. During that hike, let me give you a simple thought process that if there is a common hike process, for example, if you are working for an organization, they will be giving around 5% or 10% maximum, or 12% to 20%. 20% of hikes where it will be middle size organization, or it might be in a product based organizations. If the company is giving a small amount of hike, what is going to be happen? If you do such things and you don't have get an appreciation, your salary is going to be 5% or 10%. But you have to be proactive on your roles and responsibilities. On your roles and responsibilities. Do the great things with your roles and responsibilities. If a particular senior person is giving you an appreciation, take it. There is a developer A and there is a developer B. You know what? Both are working as a collaborative methodology. Appreciate each other. When we are appreciating each other, automatically your roles and responsibilities will be in a higher level, and you will keep doing things in a great way. Once you start doing your roles and responsibilities in a good progress way, automatically you will be getting appreciation from your higher management or from your senior. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, appreciation is everything. Don't get diluted once you didn't get an appreciation. Keep progress your improvements. Automatically you will be getting, one day you will get appreciation. That is more enough. If you guys having any concerns or feedbacks, please leave it in the comment section. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Take care. Bye.